Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin to my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Adia Pratama Nurwahyudi. You can call me Dio. Okay, I would like to tell you about my opinion the lecture in BSI University. First of all, I will begin by explaining the definition a lecture. A lecture is an oral presentation intended to present information or teach people about a particular subject. For example, by a university or college teacher. Lectures are used to convey critical information, history, background, theories, and equations. Well, I'm gonna talk or share you about a lecture in BSI University. Lecture at BSI University actively serve as facilitator for the first, second, and third generation of the School of Mover, organized by the Ministry of Education and Culture. The School of Mover program aims to realize the ideal of Indonesian education, achieving the progress of an independent, self-reliant, and self-identified Indonesia by fostering the Pancasila generation. In my honest opinion, the lectures in BSI are always amazing, very smart, and enthusiastic. I always enjoy the material and the class, despite lecturing to a large class. The lectures are always very engaging and personable. The lectures are also communicative and interactive. They always employ a friendly approach to build rapport and also active participation through question, discussion, and opportunities for students to discover answers increases engagement. The lectures are also informative. They always help the students grasp complex ideas. I think the lecture in BSI are competent. Well, this is the end of my speech. Let's move to another presentation. The second presentation, it is about adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency are words that indicate how often an action or event occurs, such always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. The most common frequency adverb in English are always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. The adverbs answer of frequency answer the typical questions with how often, how frequently. Example. First, how often do you brush your teeth? I always brush my teeth. And second, how often does your mother cook? She rarely cooks. And third, how often is Claudia late for class? He is never late for class. The position of this adverb is not one. Adverb of frequency go before all verbs or the main verb and after a form of the verb to be am, is, are. For example, she is often late for class. They are always late for class. She usually cook and then they usually cook. Not to. With don't and doesn't, we use the adverb of frequency after this and before the verb. Example, we don't usually travel. And then, she doesn't usually travel. And not three. The adverb of frequency sometimes, often, usually can go at the beginning of sentence or sometimes they are put the end, not before main verbs. Example, sometimes we study English. We study English usually. And the example, I always go to school by bus. And I don't usually get up at 7. I sometimes have lunch in a restaurant. And I seldom have breakfast. Next, time expression. Every day, Monday to Sunday. Every plus day, every Tuesday. On plus day plus s, on Tuesday. Once a month, one time in a month. Twice a month, two times in a month. Three times a month, three times in a month. Once a week, twice a week, three times a week. Practice 1. Rewrite each sentence with the adverb of frequency, the parenthesis, in its correct position. Example, I play tennis on Sundays. Often. And answer, I often play tennis on Sunday. 1. We are in contact with my sister. Often. Peter doesn't get up before 7. Usually. They go swimming in the lake. Sometimes. 4. The weather is bad in November. Always. I have met him before. Never. John watches TV. Seldom. That's it, my presentation. Thank you for your attention. See you next time and bye.